Emmanuel Kanu is speaking from the angle of pain, tears, and history. His brother was incarcerated for 48 months now, sitting somewhere stagnated at DSS facilities. How do you think Emmanuel Kanu will stay quiet, watching? He's criticizing Ekpa. Anybody could criticize Ekpa. It's not an abomination to criticize. But to coco in them talking, from the angle of Emmanuel Kanu, it is not easy for someone to lose his brother or to have his brother stagnated in one place, for 48 months now. Nnamdi Kanu is still in one place. And you should know that that man has kinsmen, he has sisters, he has brothers, he has children, he has a wife. So none of his relatives, among his relative member will be happy over that situation. The incarceration is taking to 5 years now. And we should know that Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Emmanuel Kanu is a human being. Nnamdi Kanu is talking about his brother here. So, but where I am trying to differ from Emmanuel Kanu is that Ekpa is doing everything humanly possible to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is out. I don't want to understand. That Nnamdi Kanu is out of DSS, confinement. So that's why he's reacting that way. And notwithstanding, we should all know that Simon Ekpa has never been a bad boy. A bad boy could never have secured a scholarship into Finland to read and study. Of course, it was scholarship that took Ekpa from Nigeria to Finland, and he has been a law-abiding citizen of Finland. Had it been Ekpa is a bad boy as instigated or accused of him by Emmanuel Kanu, I don't think Finnish government would have that, kind of belief in him by retaining him till death. He has never been accused of any criminality in Finland. That's why he's still operating there, fighting hard for us to have Biafra. Then again, I'm differing from everybody that is not believing what Emma is saying by, telling you that all the Igbos, it's not all the Igbos that love Simon Ekpa, what he's doing in the Southeast. I love him. My name is Ralph. Mr. Okeke might not love him. He's entitled to his opinion. So Nnamdi Kanu, Emmanuel Kanu's opinion might not sound the same with every other Biafran. There are many of them that are castigating Ekpa because of his doings, all that he's doing in the southeastern Nigeria. Many people are against him. Many people are with him. In Nigeria today, nation, north, south, west, east, many people hate Ekpa, what Ekpa is doing. Many people love Ekpa, what Ekpa is doing. I don't know what to understand. I'm just trying to tell you that it's an opinion thing. People are giving out their own opinion. Emmanuel Kanu is giving out his own opinion. So myself, I'm trying to give out my own opinion. What Ekpa is doing is he is fighting federal government of Nigeria too hard to release Nnamdi Kanu, our brother. I don't know what I understand. While doing so, federal government of Nigeria are not happy with him because he's not going to do it through dialogue. Dialogue has failed. Ohaneze has gone for dialogue. Dialogue has failed. Igbo, they have gone for dialogue. Dialogue has failed. So what I'm trying to say is that when dialogue, roundtable talk has failed at Aso Rock, I think Ekpa could be right. We are Igbos, we are not bastards. When Tinubu came out 2023 to request for presidency, he said it was his turn, that Yorubas are not bastards. So Igbos are bastards. So it is Igbos that are bastards. That's why he hijacked an election won by an Igbo man. See, let me tell you, nobody is a bastard here. Igbos are not bastards. They're supposed to have released Nnamdi Kanu. That's why Simon Ekpa is intensifying effort to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is out. Igbo is not a bastard nation. We were on this continent before any other tribe. Go and do your research. Yes, we left Egypt since 13 1305 BC.
1305.
I'm telling you, BC, 1305 BC. We left Egypt. We did not come out with Israelis. Okay? We use our craft. We cross the Red Sea. Even without craft, from Port Said in Egypt, you can trek. Coming from Israel, exude into Africa continent. Study your geography. So we did not go through the Red Sea. Our God set most of our kinsmen in Egypt free, doing the unexpected, the miraculous on the Red Sea. Red Sea divided into two. They marched on the dry ground. Pharaoh insisted, march on the dry ground. God closed up the Red Sea. Pharaoh and all his chariots, horsemen, were drowned. They drowned. The Igbo men, we came out of Egypt using our craft from Port Said to side. There's a place we can march from Egypt into Israel. So we exuded Egypt on a ground. We did not follow the Red Sea. I mean, critics, people will say, how possible? How did they do? Did they swim across the Red Sea? No. There are dry lands. There are links. There are path roads. Today, you can see the pogrom, the war escalation, full escalation going on in Egypt, in Israel, sorry, from Gaza, West Bank. There's dry land. It wasn't the sea. See, we are not bastard. We came from a place. We were before anybody on the continent of Africa. We are the black Jews. So Tinubu said they are not bastard, they are not this. So Igbo race is a bastard. See, Tinubu is a cultic image ruling Nigerian people, denying them most of the household amenities, most household goods, most high household essentials. He's a man without human breath. He's buying yachts. He bought yachts. He bought presidential aircraft. Chinese seized it. He bought another one. He's managing my wealth, Biafran wealth, the oil along coastal line of Biafra. Tinubu is managing it as if it is his own. The oil exploration on the Niger Delta region, is it an oil exploration on Ondo, Ekiti, and the Lagos region? Is along Biafran coastal line. And Tinubu is trying to tell the whole world that is Tinubu Jagaban. Jaga what? Is he alive? That life when they na so life supposed to be. Oga Simon Ekpa should stop listening to anybody. Simon Ekpa is doing what he should be doing as an Igbo man. Agitation for Biafra is it. The people that are constituting security in the southeastern Nigeria is Nigerian government in collaboration with Igbo politicians. They are the one disaliving people in the southeastern Nigeria. They are the one that demised Professor Chike Akunyili, the husband of the former Director General of NAFDAC. It's federal forces. The DSS, the NIA, they have failed Nigerians on securing Nigerian geography. There's much influx of Fulani jihadists from the axis of Sokoto border with Benin Republic. They have been exuding into Nigerian geography. I mean the Fulani fighters, militias. They are all over Nigerian forest. They are all over the farmland of Mid-Belt. They are all over in the farmland in the forest of Ondo. Yoruba Highlands, they have been invaded. Yoruba land has been invaded by the Fulani jihadists. Nobody is doing anything about it. Tinubu is fast on tracking Yahoo boys that are eking out livings in Ibadan using his EFCC. But he could not track down Yaya Bello when Yaya Bello was about escaping into Dubai. Tinubu government could not track down Yaya Bello.
Is it not in Nigeria?
Listen and listen good. Yaya Bello is living large in Dubai. You don't know. You're not known. I know. Yaya Bello has bought many hotels in Dubai today. Yaya Bello is not in Nigeria. He is in Dubai. Nigerian government is not fast on doing that. They are all fast, always fast on tracking down Igbo youths that insulted policemen or that are confronting the what? Discretion. People that are discreting, painting Igbo land with all manners of abomination, abominable acts. Nigerian military that are killing youths. Nobody is looking at that angle. Fulani herdsmen that are killing farmers in Igbo land. Nigerian Intelligence Agency, Department of State Security, DSS, they are not seeing those Fulani jihadists all over Enugu Forest, all over Ondo Forest. At the Barakwa community, they are there. Igongo community, the Fulanis are there killing, desecrating the Yoruba land. And the Tinubu is not doing anything. It is only when Igbo youths confront Nigerian soldiers that Tinubu will say it. When someone else says something, that is when Tinubu will know that someone has spoken. Let me tell you, Nigeria is not my Nigeria. It's not our Nigeria. It's not Igbo Nigeria. We are on our own. We are the Biafrans. And the time has come for Biafra emancipation.
But according to some Biafrans, they said, according to one of the Biafran I talked yesterday, Mr. Okoko, is Mr. Okpara, he said, it's been alleged that, Emmanuel Kanu has been bribed by the Nigerian government. He's working for that's why he is trying to stop the sit at home, the 1 month sit at home in the southeast. But people have said that Ekpa just banned the Nigerian government parasitas, not the general Biafrans at large. Do you think that Emmanuel Kanu has been compromised by the Nigerian government?
Emmanuel Kanu has not compromised. He has not been paid. Okokondem is talking from his own blind opinion. I'm not after Okokondem, and they can never be after me. Where and the how and who are the people that bribed Emmanuel Kanu? Where are the payments receipts? Where are the documents? See, Okokondem can just come and talk as Okokondem. If I look at him as Okokondem, I'm not against him. I'm not after him. But how could he have said that against nnamdikanu's brother without coming out with substantiated facts? It's a lie. Because you don't have facts. You don't have document. You cannot just come out and accuse somebody. Emmanuel Kanu has not collected anything from anybody. Emmanuel Kanu is speaking from the angle of pain, tears, and history. His brother was incarcerated for 48 months now, sitting somewhere stagnated at DSS facilities. How do you think Emmanuel Kanu will stay quiet, watching? He's criticizing Ekpa. Anybody could criticize Ekpa. It's not an abomination to criticize. But Okoko in them talking. Emmanuel Kanu has been bribed. How did Okoko in them know? How did the Mr. Okpara know? I talk about Biafra. I don't talk trash. Biafra has been on the line for how many months, how many years now? Since 2015. Biafra agitation trending across the social media platform all over the world. TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Yahoo, MSN. You have Live, you have Hotmail, you have YouTube, everywhere, Opera Mini, Facebook, Real News Group, everywhere, Biafra. So Okokondem should just investigate well before talking. I'm not saying that he's doing wrong. What he's saying is wrong. No. But what I'm trying to say is that before you accuse somebody, come out with facts. So that if the person takes you to court, you will have substantial evidence to give. Now, he could not substantiate how Emmanuel Kanu was bribed. If that gentleman takes him to court, I think he's going to go in. So what I'm trying to say is that Ekpa is doing the right thing, and then Nnamdi Kanu is still our leader, and also our outside Jesus Christ, Savior. Without Jesus, it is Kanu. So what I'm trying to say is that emancipation of sovereign state of Biafra is at hand, and then Nnamdi Kanu has done his work well, and is inside there. Who is keeping inflaming the fire of Biafra aglow, live. He is Ekpa, Simon. So I don't think he has done wrong. Southeastern Nigeria, they are still observing a 30-day sit at home. That's 1 month. That started last week. You can see it is moving, it's on. People over there, they are doing greatly well because they want one of their owns that has been seized by DSS out. That's why they are doing what they are doing. And you can see it is working. Federal government interest shut down, state interest shut down because they turn their back on requests, aspirations, demand of the people of southeastern Nigeria. The aspiration is to see one of their own out. His name is Nnamdikanu. So that's what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? Ekpa is doing the right thing. Kanu has voiced out. He has not said the wrong thing because his brother is in. He's not saying the wrong thing. Anybody could come out with his own opinion. Thank you.
Far distance. They give him marching order. Finland, they bring him. This one, return him. Send suicide bomber. Send kidnapper. Do this, do that. They give marching order. Go to Kenya. Kidnap Nnamdikanu. But this one that is in their labs, in their pants, in their batting them, they cannot remove him. Look, this is one Nigeria. You see, Tinubu going to negotiate with terrorists. I don't see it as a good move, personally. Because the more you are negotiating with them, the more you are recognizing them. The more you are negotiating with them, the more you are empowering them more. And that negotiation is nothing but give and take. Give me money, then take the what I have, people I have kidnapped, or people what I have looted, give me fiscal cash and take it. Now, if you negotiate with him and give him cash, what of the people you have already killed? Will he bring them back? Will he bring those people back? And now, if Tinubu is going to negotiate with them, which means Tinubu know where they are, or there's somebody who know where they are, who can link him to them.
I know sure they can do it via video online.
You mean?
Are you sure they cannot do the negotiation via video online?
Whether you do it online or whether we do it online or on the ground or on the sea or in the air, negotiation is negotiation. If I'm negotiating with you, I will know whom I'm negotiating with. There must surely be a connection. Forget online. There must surely be a middleman. You understand? Now, if they can know where he is and they are not able to arrest him, they are not able to do anything, and it's closer with them inside the country, they know the state, they know the territory, they know the jungle. What hinder the Nigerian government not to order army, give marching order for army to go and deal with him? What hinder Tinubu? Even up to now, I saw it in a YouTube. I saw it in the YouTube. I don't know whether it's true or not. That Nigerian army are still bombing Oklahoma up to today.
So they've not forgiven them?
They're still bombing Oklahoma, destroying Oklahoma by the marching order, giving them since how many months now? Why can't the same marching order give to what is name against
Musa.
Against no Tunjibelo? Why can't the same marching order give it? But you have seen him. They carry gun, kidnapping, killing, amending, telling Hausa people that they will never plant on their land. They will never plant on their land. They will never farm on their land. They will kill them, finish, and take over the land. And the people are hearing it. Mr. Payne did not give marching order to go and fetch them. But look at Simon Ekpa. Far distance. They are giving marching order. Finland, they bring him. This one, return him. Send suicide bomber. Send kidnapper. Do this, do that. They give marching order. Go to Kenya. Kidnap Nnamdikanu. But this one that is in their labs, in their pants, in their police, batting them, they cannot remove him. Look, this is one Nigeria. You want to negotiate with them, to empower them more, to give them more money, to eat and belly food, to buy more arms, to recruit more members. Eh? Have you seen it? Now, coming to northern elders or northern elites that say Tinubu should not negotiate. If they don't Tinubu to go and negotiate, let them go and bring that man and hand him over to government for persecution. If they know that Tinubu should not go and negotiate, if they really mean what they said, that this one, they don't like him, they're not harboring him, they're not using him, let them go and do whatever they will do to get this man and hand him over. After all, Nnamdi, it was Igbo people that planned for his kidnapping. Let them plan for his own and bring him to Abuja with a handcuff on the hand and on the leg, and let him appear in the court and let us see what he do.
I don't know. I don't know why it's impossible for them to get him. This guy has been. I think he's been working for them since. He's been killing in the northern part of Nigeria for the past 4 years or so. So why is it it's difficult for them to?
Remember, it was in the same Zamfara. They give a bandit title, Sariki. I don't know what is this.
Is it Shekau?
No, Shekau was dead. Medugri. I think it's this Tunji Bello. I think the same Tunji Bello. They give him title. Some years during the time of Buhari.
Although according to Tunji Bello, he says he's a freedom fighter, just like Nnamdikanu. He's fighting for his people.
Okay, if he's a freedom fighter, like Nnamdikanu, it's supposed to be what Nnamdikanu is. There's no need to negotiate with him with money.
So it's not compulsory.
No, there's no need to negotiate with him with money. Because Nnamdikanu, nobody negotiate with him with his money. They're supposed to kidnap him, grab him, put him where they put Nnamdikanu. If he's a freedom fighter in Nigeria, because every freedom fighter in Nigeria must socially pass through that thing. Because Nigeria to help to see anybody freedom fighter. Look at NSAS freedom fighter, they kill them. They mock them. Nigeria don't want to hear me to say freedom fighter. Because they don't say if you're a freedom fighter, you want to open people's eye against the corrupt leaders of Nigeria.
According to Bello, he said, the hatred against the Fulanis in Nigeria, and the media are not reporting the killings of Fulanis in the northern part of Nigeria. That's what made him, angrily come out to start,
killing. Who carry cow and cattle into people's farm, killing them? Is it Igbo man? Is it Yoruba man? Is it Tifi man? Is it Gwari man? Is it Nupe man? Is it Kanuri man? Is it Hausa man? Is it not Fulani? Going to people's ancestral land, killing them. He said the killing of. Okay, clap for Fulani. Clap for Fulani. Leave Fulani high. Let me tell you, it's only in Nigeria that Fulani are talking. Go all over the world. You see Fulani. Are they rulers? What is their point? In Central African Republic, where they want to raise head up, did not the indigenous people go against them and subdue them? But Nigeria here is a tribalism. Omwibo, push him away. That's what killing Nigeria. Tribalism. They cannot come together and fight their common enemy. Satan in human form. Fight them.
But for Tinubu to negotiate with them, according to the northern elders, but do you think it's a wrong move? Do you think it's a total is a bad move from Tinubu negotiating with bandits?
That I said Tinubu should not negotiate. Are they not the one who frustrated Jonathan when Jonathan want to deal with them? Are they not the one who frustrated Jonathan? Said Jonathan are revenging what they did Biafrans in the Biafran war. That's what Jonathan and the Yelika are rejecting. Now they know that the kidnapping bandit is wrong. I have said it. If they don't want Tinubu to go and negotiate, let them go and bring that man down.